asem no enya ye kabusia NDC ni bi abe class with the president John Mahama, Mr. IP Mine. That's a Ghana version of IP Mine, Mr. IP Mine. NDC TikTok be abe clash with him. Efanin semu just say I'm over to him say Mahama is instigating culture of silence. Obe cannot actually say the president. I'm actually Jonas was about for a second time. Twene has abe kasa na heat ewumu. Me ba nchire mu na akire wadwen amame. Ewa comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Obe like video no that I'm subscribe button. So abe click the notification icon latest update. Abe akire wadwen de amame. Ewa comment section. Mess was so baso no achire do for so enya bi ahwe. It concerns the issue of hate speech. On say I have many videos on that telling you how NDC were promoting hate speech in opposition. Almost all of their communicators by then no be at TV so air kasa full of insult and hate speech. Full of insults, even to the point say His Excellency the President John Mahama himself, he was full of hate speech.
So when they were looking for your vote, President Akufo-Addo, His Excellency said, we shall open the opportunities of this country to all Ghanaians, irrespective of your party or your ethnic affiliation. Do you remember he said that? So we did the revolution and he came to power. None of the pigs are enjoying, none of the pigs are enjoying, none of the pigs are enjoying. They say some Ghanaians are more Ghanaian than others.
This election is about the economy, stupid.
So put a paragraph on Airbus to equalize the discussion. I mean, what stupidity is this? You have all those people walking around writing stupid things on social media. It does not affect what happened in the past. And what he says is a bit silly.
I say, but recently, no, His Excellency and nice. I see a bit cleaning up the space because I said the Biana Obi pass a comment I used to be dear to and no nice. And no dear, I don't support hate speech, culture of hate speech. I don't support it. And no party, men for us because men are would be a would do my two media. That's why and ya made many better also. And yet, but I always have to say in opposition. These same people were happy about that, and they were even they were those even fueling it. But recently, Mahama Chirim said, "Opeso Twene for now, or clean up the space." It Chirim said, National Signal Bureau no omo was some technology be a bit to track your IP address about location near better so pass any comment on social media or bet me ISI Jumana. Now I no more ana NDC need to talk a bit to them said they be or them Mahama yendia. Wonya kura wonya be o Chirim opposition. Or no, or Kasa said or no ane pe MPP ni bi anya na hwe or Kasa di atem ye do pe obi anka hwenti ade na Mahama so penso next opposition ADB be di omu a or kan say Mahama enya adwene.
Hello my fellow TikTokers, my friends, my family on TikTok. I came on this morning very angry. This message is to the President John Mahama. Do not take away the masses' voices. When you take away the voices of the masses, they will use the gun. That is what is happening in America. Do not take away their voices. Let them speak. Who is the IGP? To hell with him. Have you seen what is happening at the police hospital? That building that is at the police hospital is going to 2 decades. That Perry came did nothing. 8 years of Akufo-Addo did nothing. You are here. Instead of him to focus on that, he's focusing on the freedom of speech. I know freedom of speech has a limit. Let them speak so you can sieve it and take the good out of the bad. Let them speak. Just look at what is happening in America today. Kek was gunned down at the age of 31. Somebody took his life away because of freedom of speech. Let them speak, oh President John Mahama. We did worse. When the NDC was in opposition, I spoke and nobody arrested me. Let them speak, because whatever you are doing today, you will go away and the NDC will suffer for it. Let the masses speak. Let the MPP speak. Give them their voices. Give the masses their voices. So you can learn and take away so much from them. What the fuck is going on here? Why is it so? Are we in a revolution regime? You were voted in to come and change the economy. Look at conflict everywhere. In your own village, there's a fight. We did not even resolve that. We are arresting people to stop talking. What the fuck is going on here?
Now, Jonas asked about for a second time. Okay, with the cover first time, not a job. Now, second time, they was heat, I know them.
Moi. Obviously, John Mahama, Koti, Boto, say, chene, oko subscribe me modi, masa. John Mahama, the so a Jimmy, Obi Otimeka say, me the IP address, a bet you be a old matema now, my his speech. Abra untimenka se me the IP address bechi criminal sa omuwia Ghana for ene wonam kwanso na akronfo akukum wonam ha na udifo akukum untime mfa IP address nkwachi sa criminals no but the ono ti social media ono di watem ena all the IP address kwachi na wapodam wajimi meanwhile wo kwase mpanyin we yatua Kevin Taylor aboa kamaneti social media anopeto enyimire di Ghana fo atem na kwase awo John Mahama kwase mpanyin ye nipa chen Ghana fo no wo watua obi kase oni nipa oni Ghana fo atem but Ghana fo ndi ebedi atem a wo be waste taxpayers money akwachi obi de mfa wo jimi nsese ska no enkobie 24-hour economy na employ mabunu ene mrante ene mabaawa no ti said the odo kwase aye campaign no na waste the taxpayers money said the bia ye nkwachi obi na wo John Mahama no nkebe je unsem wo Ghana ho se woni ma me de meka no kra kire wo BBC a mo obi asurom kra Ghana obi asurom obi antimi megimi tuni ma fa kwase afa energy na wo de ebe hanti innocent people abechi omo no fa ko bie 24-hour economy no na ye nyimi forever adan na obi aba wa jimi obo obi kroma ye bie adwuma left and right up and down obi anya adwuma ye wa America kwase ahweka ametim BMW Empower M Division BMW ultimate driving machine Otina Ghana 100 years opa makwaku otin any despite income savings nyina mom ntime ntobi ntramda kopim tamombewu eyedi entia the United States have made it possible. Why? Because you be a Juma. If you come here and you are not a lazy person, you're gonna be rich regardless of wherever you come from. Awe Jimmy is so John Mahama and the America for you say we are boa didn't because omuntia say Odo kwasia eji Nigeria for any Gambia for omuye criminals at Trump we deport to oji omu akon hotel the taxpayers money high hotel di omagum Ghana atwa aduane ama omadi abra omukrom Gambia ho omukrom Nigeria ho onko an we Jimmy John Mahama onko an we Jimmy onko an aye kwasia onko an we Jimmy America for so ya boa se oni ma me na wish kwasi CNBC ABC News nyina so ya boa hu nipa wa Jimmy Sawoda Nigeria Tinubu onenamo aden no onye ni kromfo onkuan we Jimmy abra nipa kaya yofo mfru krom tafo mo da bridge ase onkuan we Jimmy uwe sika de beje foreigner ahan hotel ato aduane amanadi ebi kura be say high private jet and now the private jet betu place and na koni krom because oti ukrom a o boka akun awu enti e wase odi no kon enti Jimmy aden na mfa say scan mo Ghana ni onkoto abama aden we Jimmy John Mahama aden we Jimmy ye to aba de MPP fo akoye nim se wonim nyansa ni akofo aba won so we Jimmy che eta we Jimmy che nam we ya boa John Mahama God America for you so ya bomu nipa wa Jimmy Sawoda because omuntia say Trump ntimi fa Nigeria for omuye criminal omuye rapists omuye ai kidnappers Trump would deport omu emfa nko Nigeria na Ghana ni na Jimmy so obeje omu aden na John Mahama Jimmy obi so kwase ya uni twa very soon you be in Ghana uni twa na kwase ya John Mahama no nsuo me opa mfa ne kwase ya nko bobo midin na hwe de be se mame antu na ban na ono nsuo me o Jimmy o join do you know who I am Trump crash nsuo me America na John Mahama Jimmy for na kwase ya be hwan he is nobody jam wa Jimmy on kwase ya do you know who I am the almighty Twene you know kwase ya John Mahama wa hwan kwase me be Jimmy on suanyansa enu ntina ma ka chense oni ni nua Ibrahim Mahama omu wi mi no mu ko wi black voter na mebo pam ye kuku omu wona kan ya nko ma be chew me kan wat so makasa because me meso so ma kwasiafo mo mewie o man nya pade enko kwasia umbe wia Ghana Bauxite Limited de man ni nua Ibrahim Mahama fa so be na Ghana ni di anya private jet no de sika na kototo na Ghana fo ka akwanya tutu accident kumni pa na kwasia se resources ni yewia nka kufu mo ba betena so ko nka bi be ka mo anya bi awia abodam stop man obi a megimi o Ghana ha o masa enti ujo Mahama no sa nkwasia sem ni jai Bokufo kumnipa use the IP address to track them. Enunti bokufo nyina dwane akoye refugee wo Cote d'Ivoire. Eyenim guasie to Ghana. Oman wo resources. Eva Kuchi Gaddafi was say fire Samuel Bright Aqua he's a judge. He's now saying we should arrest the insult people after they free Kevin Taylor. So Samuel Aqua uni chance the wati kwasia odi amfa ni picture mama na me post tu osi o judge on momo te o maje bribe baja Kevin Taylor osi yentwa Ghana fo nyina ti yentwa ahemfo nyina ti o trete Ghana fo nyina yentwa ahemfo ti maje bribe baja no momfa ni picture mama omu nim na omu kwachi obi a momfa ni picture mama mebo pa ma obi akọ won se kan woni fie ku na fiwi ase momfa sa judge ni picture mama asiase mo o ka se nipa jimi o me ku NDC fo be 5 this week kura ma obi ehun se ye nipa ni abre fa sa judge ni mompa ni picture mama na me post ni picture no obi mi interest kan to so no obi nko won se kan ku no kwasia me se ye be di matema John Mahama nim na o chi kotre e wo Ghana wa ku besi o fa hu wu ani yasie no Apostle Joseph wu John Mahama na onye nipa nchen homo what you say that the lumba wu John Mahama nye nipa nchen homo o wu jimi a ye de ombe kwa asamando kwasia wan hefa na mo ye campaign say mo ba be chichi nkofu kwasia mo ye campaign say mo ba be ye o man ya na say mo be waste energy any taxpayers money akwachichi obi onu ti ba bi a okasa abu abra criminals wi kumnipa Aden majib odi amesu amunya nkwase ade meku NDC for medonyame stupid people muni chasere 2 million Kevin Taylor kwase ampanyi no ote broni abre wadem ohuru pieto onu kura maja no maneko na maja Kevin Taylor mami hu sema kwachi Ghana ni bi sema Jimmy and stupid people Aden majimi sa mo ba madwamanum sa yento aba mo ba mu bebi adwuma 24-hour economy eko 1 year eno na we want to see the 24-hour economy no that is what we want to see enye china makwachi wei kwase abronya amachine boni be no wadi NDC ni abua gina organizer gina say o obeku afinyo markets ena abronya say yo no ya kwasea e wo se nka akwachi akwa wei se wanchino na NDC fo no MPP fo no so be ka so meku John Mahama na ne yiri a eno de mbeba be chi omo kwasia NDC ni aboa de oni tumi ka so beku obi no na mo free ntimi nche no na abronya na o criticize mo na mo de jimi akwachi John Mahama wonye odwan a nka wo fa kwasia nya abronya dada abronya no anya na akusi a eye photo John Mahama mimema obi abetu aban no so jimi a boni be no nipa na di odi matem se ma jimi mo kwachi obi o threat nipa o abronya di boni be kwasia ntafo mu am gubo kwa kumnipa ye ntimi nche ba akukura use the police to arrest the criminals no mo di omo che innocent people stupid people aboa John Mahama woni chance re stupid man kwasia bi batse o odi amisi omo mfa jimi nkwache kotere bakura o Ghana o amu fa jimi nkwache kotere ba o Ghana o kabeji John Mahama nsam meku John Mahama free wiase samusu ma jimi a stupid people asiampi before me jimi ni enkofa mo mra mo so mo ba beto jimi no so mwa enkwasiafo Ghana me na me control wa wonti asia bia towram asia Ghana ya chichiri oman ya ye osika kokko ye ti sika so hemfa na ntafo ko dane refugee wo ayi obi man so hemfa nya wo nkwasia mamu a Ghana ni be na eti wiase ya wako dane refugee wo obi man so oman ya ye wo gold team ma diamond boxer ye wo bibia anya wo John Mahama boa won insecurity untimi nche bokofo mwa we emwa nkwasiafo eguboku yi untimi lodo omu nkogu nsawam to the extent say wa northern regions nyina adwane Cote d'Ivoire because they are running for their life. Unya boa use the police force to hunt the criminals. Na jai di ono ti baby a all criticize say wa Jimmy ampa. Unyimi yanka ha nkombe ka chosu wa Jimmy aboa uni chance rat John Mahama. Kwasia wo ba wo say akofo ado fro private jet. Udwan wo ba anya private jet na oni abrewana na wo feel it him. Abrewana wa wie no anya private jet na ne fro. Kwasia bema. Mama nyina ni say na me wo say your days are numbered. Who need chance ni? Kwasia John Mahama no ehwan a the police are from na police ni microphone no bobo break no wa bodam. Ma dey ase na etu galamsey. Excavator ni nyina aye onua Ibrahim Mahama Kwasia ne dia. Ade chin house me say Korea black voter mines dia mama unmini ama Joma Ibrahim Mahama na Kwasia Ghana fo bebrebe no omu nyina ebrenya adwuma ni enye na unua Ibrahim Mahama no wono anya sika toto private jet kurasi wa onye obi ama ne ntenam na Ghana fo na ebre na wo sen bewi o man japade na ade chi na Ibrahim Mahama na wu a hwan fort Kwasia ye chikromfo a ye bono mopa mko bisa kantamanto dwomfo ana mumisa abeka la pass fo ana mumisa kwada so fo mumisa abuakwafo se Twene Jonas si ye chikromfo ebunuku no tunua Ibrahim Mahama obewi o man japade a meme abunaku no ye be gya no kwan ye de be kwasamando wa onti ase enu asu NDC fo mopa munye dede na your days are numbered a joke. Mama obi akun Ibrahim Mahama owu asama ntimi mewia black voter no sama ntimi mewia hwe ntimi ma ya wia no untwam because abagime mre yatra this time no obi a mewia hui siafo. It's not a joke anymore. Of course me powerful business nam me tweme ho anu abelok or marry me coffee ni o me koto to dasbi mu na me catch us heavy na mu na hwe no. Of course na me dasbi no kura bi wan okay bi ni me powerful beast in here. Now me try journey on. You see, I'm bedroom New City. Of course, you know where we are. My powerful beast, premium high quality BMW M division. Over there, I can't stop laughing. David, your mama, Jimmy, where did you got that? You got option for to that's being from. Now special way of Unsune Bugono. Now Michelle Bruni. Of course, you know where we are. We are in the grassy of autumn, New York City, baby. Masiasie mama nanti hudunum kakra. Of course heavy na muna kwa bia wa bia one way ka bia nhia ne onko I'm talking kra ngu omoso a I'm talking ngu omoso eti munka che Mahama John Mahama se me se ne Kwasia onimo bi chi a onkoche bokofo ntafo no omo na omo akum in the history of Ghana man panyini bia ni ho wa jimi se woda akofo ado tena so 8 years ntafo Nkwasiafo no muguboko omo nkoku obi a onko awa ban kankan o maku sojafo be de ho enra police fo ne eku omo sampa watimi ne Kwasia koduro alodu sampa fo ni nyina kogu prison da bi wagimi hu fin na oti wo eye mema sem se obi kasa obeba abechiri John Mahama uni twasre ya bisa kofo ade se ono na sampa fo aku police fo a enko obede enko lodu sampa fo ni nyina de o mako prison straight na wagimi nti wo ye Kwasia nti what be address class sampa police for a fin stupid man Kwasia bi bat se o John Mahama NDC for nyina mu ni twasere 2 million. It's not a joke anymore. Asia, if you go to Sampa Chrono ubetimi anante atwa ho ahia within 30 minutes me mafa ho Cote d'Ivoire mafa ho abesia akọwanchi abefa Mahama krom boli bamboy machini ho nyina Sampa ye me nana kuro me nana na ye ohene wo Sampa Suma Mole Mayira Sekitia Kokosia efa ho abesi brekum drobo doma ho nyina minimo nyina me nante koba no patu anwumre ekuro ketekete timiku police 44 na Ghana police nyina ntimi onko silence yomo criminals yankochi yomo mku police ni no etimi ma news John Mahama na ntwewe now do Kwasia the most important job na ese wo ye as a mampanyini to make sure say the securities are being protected na say etimiku police ni a what makes Ghanaians safe e okuro no police ni etimiku ni free ni ntimi nchi wudini no what makes Ghanaians safe e okronum kwasi empanyin John Mahama unfiate stupid man. Having a man in Yamisha Bruni, the system is working 24/7. The two special flowers, Yamisha Bruni. Yo, glass and quagga, yeah, glass and quagga. Of course, shout out to all taxi drivers in New York City, baby. Of course, you know what it is. I'm too damn popular in the United States. Some of these interactions may my pop up, man. And this is when I'm in the class. Yo, no, only John Mahama. A point to me, we are more. Send ye bu aman. Mo fam chimi nya abro nya nam konsa ntafo mu ano ene sampafo no makum nipa no enkogu prison. Me it doesn't matter say sampa e mabusu amfo kro but o ma jimi amon se am kogu prison emra e wo se titi obi equally the same way atani kwa champagne ti boko no sa na sampani aboa so ti sampa wa odi boni am koche no ne yanye ne sa obi abekunkum nipa rough sa I was a mra eye adwuma okron America untimi magimi wa ha udi boni a oromari gari emra ne obedi Eva Kuchi was I don't understand why he said he will arrest the media people but not arresting those fighting. He said John Mahama ni ti abofomo se sen wa chimi media person no ono no who arresting na e che say Udi ebia soja mamuo me fan say uye ku e na abeye mampanyini enu nti wono timi arrest media for ba say ye de aba to okoto abama wa untimi arrest media for because a democracy na de oba power a friend kabima min kapi e de aba to na de oba nti the media has right to report problems say oh me man temu akwanya tutu nti aban bra na beye oh school dan way esun chance apa wa aban bra na beye and say any planet no airport problems because of say community no the omko krometina to abama and they deserve something from you. The promises you have promised them, they deserve to see it in reality. And you can arrest them. But in the case whereby yankoto abano no de ne pe akotu mampanyini bia be mampanyini dia eno de otimi ba be arrest obi but se sia no obi kasa na wa arrest na e che say wo nim constitution no who abuse the constitutional right every 1 minute bia ba service na munyamishira broni. The system is working 24/7. Of course me BMW na FU ma twa journey pon so still feche obi aka still e o mantem feche obi aka more luxury car so enti John Mahama no Jimmy no Jimmy na nkwasiafo na edi na chino so omu nim nyansa e so omu kire ne say we are mampanyini a criticism is part of democracy so yen use police and tata obi a or criticize mampanyini yen use police and the criminals they all criticize mampanyini no ono no a job as a citizen say or criticizing mampanyini no because mampanyini ne think line onim say abrodun kwawo ka kwan bi da ho e dangerous e betimi akum nipa enti ya abrodun kwafo na be criticize say ye kurom ha e ka kwan we mpanifo ma e beku ye nyina o na me ka cho say me powerhouse in this one me powerhouse in this one me white BMW kese ani ni the beast in Canada V12 the powerhouse and Canada in this one Nyamishira broni heaven amuni na me ka cho say special in so na bugu no so enti say mampanyini no say wo be asalense kromu ofo say omo kan asema aba chi omo no eno eba sa you are not a leader what fail you adwuma as a president so enu nti na make a chance say man nkika sa nkwasi asem no nya sa da kro mbe da so ne mabo pa na obi akotu NDC aban matua so yafo ne ka me ayeku atu omo because they have deviated from the job. The mampanyini you are going say obviously so Kevin Taylor is dining having dinner with John Mahama. Say John Mahama no ekwasia wa han obi se onim kofu atem obi o wiase bia udi na tem obi abedu enti wa han obi se onim kofu atem to the sense say wo do kwasia hia asante hina na osere hwe nanim And so what han Kevin Taylor man to di asante hinatem. Odi ahemfu nyina e Ghana atem. Ushi o manu pretend say odom. Meanwhile, who know what you can say obi ni o matem. Enti say wo yes ah. So na se kromwofo so ebedu atem bia wo se wo trete se obechi o eba sa wa jimi. Ghanaians have every right on betu aban na free so. Because we kwasia, you don't know what you're doing, man. So what you say enti John Mahama san kwasia ke kan jai mechi wei meye wei say no e ma won kura ne mekeka e ma ni free woman panyini na kwasia uti anyansa nim mani free wanum ma na wo yesa wa jimi odwan kura won faso chen enti wo be gina wa next time John Mahama odwan ka say me ba me the IP address no e be chi criminals e ba sa obi abebo ni nsema ma because that is your job. But say me the IP address e be chi Ghana for no. And no, you have failed as a president. That is not your job. So, Baba treat Ghana for because you are the one who's supposed to protect Ghanaians. Odrain, say one team and penny na see akwasi and penny. Say na se kire etie. Ye to abanama we are. Ghanaians are expecting say BBC a won na umbeto o munsa frɛ. You are like an umbrella. I will protect your mind nyina. Enti kwasi and penny a wo mom na so protect your mind. Unsign metreti or my move for no because of say what Jimmy who feelings about him. And what Danny Jimmy for. You don't do that. And to me obviously stop insult or join Nipana Jimmy no. Mammy fire obviously Kevin yeah Chiabusian for yeah John Mahama na me fire no. John Mahama what you Kevin Taylor what you Matthias what you Kevin Taylor ka so nimpani fu atem oni obi atem na wa kro ya betina wo say Ghana ni a obedi obi atem bia na me abeche no ami ya chi abronye so kra no Matthias abronye no on cash NDC chairman and say obetwa afenyo market and no say abronya say se man kwache mo chairman na ebe ma yensu yenkofo mo da finyo markets abetwete Mahama bio ana ne yire na afenso masa akwache omo enti mo nkwache mo nipa ono so twete Ghana fo won asema abronya kan enie ye na kwatumbe 1 week adan meanwhile nipa na ono twete so beku afenyo markets onamo etu yesa wa deviate because mampanyini de NDC ni di boni a ye che no MPP ni di boni a che no ba ko ba se NDC ni di boni na ko free MPP ni di boni ni akwachi na we say you are not being fair won ya me che no yeah Matthias ya
abotre bibia be to na kwam
Matthias ya Ghana fo nya adwuma nye ye bre o man na wo no wo de your taxpayers money kwaji won say oji deportation for ye deport them from America Nigeria for ye deport them wo akọ hotel de o makogu e wo Ghana adan na wo Nigeria man panyin ma gi omo won ene ba bia be fa bia Ghana ye na ye bre no o by glass nko glass nko wo ye be hia won say wo Matthias ye be hia nyame kan bye of course you know what it is we are in the grass of our time ni actually baby Akufuado onye na medina tema mo so mo nya medina tem assembly ani ho. This platform is purposely for truth and it's for Ghanaians. And it is what it is. Anti John Mahama odwan NDC ni abuwa di boni akwache no. Said ya be ya MPP ni ukwache na obi antimi nkasa. Eba e na nka kwase ya so obeku afenyo marking si da prison ti say abronya ka obi ameka emedi watem ba wa Jimmy a obi si obeku afenyo markings onam odidi men onam fie na abronya se kona kwache nipa o treti so beku afenyo markings a o se machi abronya ni mom na di akotuma John Mahama wo yesa wo kwase ya uti abofom wo ya boa won se o pese om kabi ma o ba om ntimi kabi ma o wo hwam yan dis fo pese om kabi ma ba om ntimi kabi ma because the truth is powerful tiria me chono pese om kabi ma ti se unua Ibrahim Mahama oba be wia black voter na me mo obi kokuna ube wu se ye na se obi apeso kabi ma saman no but enye ye because wo ye kronfo no awu a obi antimi defend kronfo
Tell you what, your mama, comment section. I have Penyah Media.